if you're a lawyer, part of a law firm marketing team, you know how competitive it is out there. The digital landscape is full of law firms and attorneys who are constantly advertising, investing money, putting content online, and trying to get all the cases that you want. So today, we're going to talk about how you can cut through this noise and how you can use a few essential strategies to really make an impact and make a difference on your marketing strategy in general. Ultimately, what we want you to do is stop wasting your marketing budget and start investing in what actually works. Let's start with kind of a recap on the 5 strategies that I believe are essential for your firm's growth moving forward. So first and foremost, I'm a huge proponent of this, but you need to crush local SEO. If you want cases, you need to rank as high as possible in Google Maps, in Google Local, so that people are reaching out directly towards you. I tell my clients all the time, I don't care if nobody ever comes to your website. If they find you on local and they click that call button and you're able to sign that case, that's what we want. So that's really step 1, is crush local SEO. 2, you have to optimize your Google ad spend. You have to know what you're spending on, you have to measure your ROI, and you have to really be on top of things when it comes to your advertising. Number 3 is, it's one of the big buzzwords, you keep hearing it, you need to leverage generative AI. You need to be using it in some fashion. It's going to help your workflow. I don't know if it's an intimidation, but you look at it and you kind of don't really understand, hey, how could I actually use this to help me? How can I make my work more efficient? And how could I use this towards my digital marketing? We're going to go over that, so don't worry. We'll show you some tips there. Next, a really big one for me, it really ties into the local SEO thing too, but you need to be engaging your community. You have to be doing something to start developing your name, your brand, your firm in your community. You don't want to always rely on search. You don't always want to rely on advertising. You want to build a business so that people search you specifically. You're the one they want to come to. And one of the best ways you can do that is by engaging your community. And don't worry, we'll go into quite a bit of detail on how you can do that. Finally, you might think that this is kind of a cop-out, but I promise it's not. We'll explain more about it. You need to get creative. You need to try to think of ways that it might not be marketing at all, but in the long run, it's going to, again, it's going to build your firm's presence. You're going to be able to use some of these creative solutions to generate a referral system that continues to work for you well beyond the start of what you're doing here.